Which scientific principle explains why oil and water do not mix? Di ba? Hindi talaga natin o walang tsansa na magkaroon or mag-mix si oil at saka si water. Is it because of capillary action? B, surface tension. C, density differences. D, polarization. This is because of these density differences. So question, sinong nasa taas? Si oil or si water? Sinong nasa taas? Si oil ba or si water? Yung nasa taas is si oil, si water is nasa baba. Bakit hindi sila nagmi-mix? Kasi, remember ha, polarity niya. Di ba? Polar dissolves polar, non-polar dissolves non-polar. And remember, si water is polar, si oil is non-polar. And there is a way that we can separate these two. Through what? Through decantation process. So ito pong pinaka-best way para ma-separate natin sila. So because itong decantation process, it can separate liquid from solid and other immiscible non-mixing liquids. Okay? Decantation process, oil at saka water.